Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure QuickBooks Online Payroll for insurance agency employee costs. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to the Payroll section in the left side menu. Select Employees to view the list of your agency staff. Click on the name of the employee you want to configure. In the employee profile, scroll down to the Compensation section. Click on the Edit button next to Payroll Info. Locate the section labeled Deductions and Contributions. Click on Add and fill in the necessary details for the insurance plan. Include the insurance provider's name and policy number. Specify whether the deduction is a pre-tax or post-tax deduction. Enter the amount or percentage to be deducted from the employee's paycheck. After entering the required information, click on Save. Repeat these steps for additional employees, if needed. Once all configurations are complete, navigate back to the main payroll page. Review the payroll summary and ensure all entries are correct. To finalize the setup, run a test payroll to verify deductions are applied accurately. Check the employee pay stubs for the new insurance deductions. Confirm that everything is processing smoothly. Congratulations, you have successfully configured QuickBooks Online Payroll for your insurance agency employee costs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.